Today I'm going to share with you a way to use aloe vera on your face for softer, firmer, smoother, glowy skin. But first, let's talk about the beauty benefits of the star ingredient. Aloe vera contains a wide variety of different vitamins such as vitamins A, B, C, D and E. It's also a powerful anti-inflammatory and can treat skin conditions such as psoriasis, acne and dry skin. The gel inside aloe vera contains a very high water content, which means it's very hydrating and soothing for the skin. So, the one and only ingredient you will need for this face mask is an aloe vera leaf. I ordered mine online, which is why it comes wrapped in cling film. The first thing I do is wash my leaf. This is important because we need to make sure it's clean before we use it. Then, just cut off the very end of the leaf, the part that's brown, and throw that away. All that's left to do is cut off a piece however big you want, and then just cut off the sides of the piece. This makes it easier to access the gel. I just slide my knife inside so I have 2 pieces of aloe. So next, all I do is scrape the gel into a cup. I had trouble doing this, so I ended up using a knife. Then, just use a fork or spoon to mix the aloe in the cup. This will make it easier to apply on the skin. I like to use the gel 2 different ways. The first way I like using it is by just using the extracted gel straight onto my skin. I like massaging the gel into my skin for a few minutes. It feels really nice since it's cold, but the gel can be super slippery and keep slipping out of your hands, so try and be cautious of this. The second way I like using it is by just rubbing the leaf onto my skin. I prefer this method because it feels so much more cooling on your face. Just like the first method, I rub this into my skin for a few minutes. There's always a lot of gel left on the leaf, so once I'm done using the leaf, I scrape off the leftover gel with my fingers and also use this on my skin. Once a few minutes pass, the gel will dry up and your face will feel really tight, almost as if you can't move it. I like to leave it on for 15 minutes before rinsing it off, but you can leave it on for longer if you want. Once you've rinsed it off, you can just continue with your normal skincare routine. You'll notice that your skin is extremely smooth and soft. This mask is amazing for achieving healthy and glowy skin, but don't expect results overnight. I used this mask for a few weeks before I started to notice any drastic changes to my skin. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.